How to find channel URL link in YouTube. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to find the channel URL. To do this, you first need to launch open the YouTube application or just log into your account. After which, click the initials from the top right corner of your screen. From there, you simply want to go ahead and click on YouTube Studio. Now make sure that you are logged in with your correct account. So when you go to YouTube Studio, here you'll be able to find your channel's dashboard, right? So what next you want to do is scroll down to the left hand side corner and locate customization. So click that out. After customization, you could find a lot of info. So what you want to do is scroll down and go to the home tab, or so here you want to go to settings actually. And when you go to settings, come to the channel sections, go to advanced settings, and if you scroll down, you could find these section. So when you come to the customization tab and go to profile and scroll down, here you have the channel URL. So this is how you'll be able to find the URL. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.